If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this live shadow trading example here, straight on the NADEX platform. We are in on a sell position on the USD JPY pair, taking advantage of that final hour of contract decay on the 6 to 8 p.m. contracts. As you know, our sessions start at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each day, Sundays through Thursdays. So we just entered this trade about 5 to 10 minutes ago. Let's see. Yeah, so about 8 minutes ago, we've been in on this trade for. Basically, we were looking for a downward move, and then we're going to scalp out profits at around $20 to the $15 range. Once the contract reached that value, we'll look to start taking profits early, and then consider a potential re-entry later in the hour. But if not, we are anticipating on holding on to this position into expiration if necessary. As you see, the strike, candle rather, open right here with a great deal of distance still between the candle open and the strike itself. And as you can see, we aren't even losing that much value on our contract just yet because the decay is working on our side. The further the time goes along and the candle remains under the strike, the better our chances are of profitability here. So we're looking at about a 60 to 40 split, meaning $60 risk, $40 profit potential, meaning we will get a nice profit if we reach about half of our total profit potential by 7:30. We will go ahead and scalp out profits early. Let me show you exactly what got me into this position here. So as you can see, we are at a pivotal zone here, and we've been on a upward trend. So initially I was looking at this being a potential buy opportunity, but in that final hour before our session started, you can see we had a big pushback to the downside by the bears, squashing this bullish momentum. As you can see, bullish volume has already been dropping. We saw a slight return, and that return was completely squandered at this zone. So now we have a short-term downtrend, false breakout to the upside, decrease in volume, and like I said before, we are at a zone of great interest here, of price action. So you can see we're in that zone now, and what I believe is we will break down below this zone, or even if we just stay neutral, we are banking on one of those two options. Either way, we make money here. So as long as it doesn't go up, we will be profitable. And as you can see so far, we are maintaining well below the strike. As stated before, profit target anywhere between the $20 to $15 range or better per contract, meaning we will be buying back our contract to exit the position. So that is how sells versus buys work. Whenever you buy into a contract, you will scalp out and sell your contract for a higher price than what you bought in for. And when you sell to open a position, you will be buying back for less than what you opened the position for. And that is how you make the profit on the sell side of selling to open a contract. So hope that makes sense, guys. I'll bring you back when we are either taking our profits early or holding into expiration. See you soon. Sorry about that, guys. So we just locked in profits there. Very soon after, there we go, it's dropping even more. So just after recording that last part there, we were able to lock in our profits before I was even able to get the recording software pulled up, and I just had to put the group first, guys. I hope you can understand that. I had to let them know to take profits early because we reached our $20 target. So we actually did exit at $20.50 per contract, which is 50 cents more than what I originally anticipated, but we wanted to catch it as soon as it broke through that zone. And as you can see, we are seeing another struggle here as we reach the bottom of that resistance. But as anticipated, we are crashing through that zone. From now, we will just be looking for a potential re-entry towards the upside. Once the candle reaches back up, we could look at now getting into a potential re-entry and capitalizing off that move once again. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and learned something here today, and I look forward to having you back around. Be sure to like and subscribe for more free tips As well, check out the resources in the description below, where I have the Informed Traders Educational Package, where you can learn the exact methods I used here in this video to capitalize and find these valuable, profitable trading opportunities across any time frame, utilizing multiple time frame analysis, as well as trend combined with other technical analysis such as indicators, support and resistance areas, and overall market sentiment. So that is the Informed Traders Educational Package. Highly recommend. As well, you can trade with me if that is more of your style, where you can receive my entry and exit alerts, as well as my market anticipation for the trades, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will be notified instantaneously when I enter into a trade, my profit target, as well as if we need to cut losses early, because that does happen on occasion. It's just, I can't recommend it more, guys. Of course, I'm biased because it is my program, but I look forward to having you guys around, and it really does bring great joy to me to hear from my members that have great success, and spread it to their friends and family. It means a lot, and I appreciate all the good emails that I get. So I really do appreciate that, guys. And I always tell you directly, whenever you tell me, but just to reiterate, I really appreciate when you guys tell me how good the program is going for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you around in the next one, and stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.